Welcome to Dark Horse Workshop, everybody. Today we are taking a look at the FiltraBox Expand X-2, and don't skip too far ahead because I'm going to start with my conclusion. Now before we get started, remember that you can get all kinds of medieval, fantasy, and Viking-inspired leathercraft patterns as well as Viking art on my website as well as on my Patreon, which is a screaming deal, so have a look at that. All the FiltraBox links are in the description of this video, along with a code for 5% off and an extra year of warranty, which is really cool. The Expand X-2 is the recommended model for my Thunderbolt Pro 32 back here, but FiltraBox actually has a full range of machines if you need something smaller or bigger. So in conclusion, if you run a powerful laser in an enclosed space and you can't vent outside, then the FiltraBox is probably your best bet for your air purification needs. The Expand X-2 does everything it says it does, solving real-world fume problems and giving you peace of mind. Now, if you're a professional, it should definitely be on the top of your list, but if you're a hobbyist, even the least expensive FiltraBox might just be out of your budget. So I work out of a giant artist building with a lot of people coming and going, and when my friend Levi and I from Drawbridge Props first got the studio, he crawled about 30 feet under the building through dirt, dust, and spiders to install a duct to the outside world. Now, he also found a mummified cat, which its skeleton now lives on a shelf in the shop as its quiet guardian. But back then, that duct was enough. We had no laser cutters, we vented a downdraft table for dye and spray paint through a few filters, and everything was fine, no complaints. Then the lasers came. That sounds kind of foreboding, doesn't it? Well, when I installed the Thunder LaserBolt Pro 32, I was blown away by the machine and immediately panicked because nothing I had could handle the fumes. The filters weren't strong enough, and the laser's internal fans were so powerful that the smell of burnt leather, well actually I guess the smoke of burnt leather, pushed back out of the venting because the fan in the vent couldn't keep up with it. And eventually, totally fairly, I was handed a cease and desist from the building manager. So as an absolute shot in the dark, I reached out to FiltraBox. For the first time ever, I was the one chasing a collab instead of the other way around. I get sent collabs all the time, you have no idea. They sent me the Expand X-2, and just to be clear, this is a sponsored video. I received a free product, which is obviously a paid promotion. In this case, though, I was hunting for a solution, not a sponsor. Now, when the Expand X-2 arrived, I was honestly quite worried. It vents clean air back into your space, supposedly, and knowing how absolutely horrible burnt leather smells, I expected I'd still need to vent outside or build some kind of enclosure around the FiltraBox and then vent the enclosure to the outside world. My concerns were completely unfounded. It exceeded my expectations by a very wide margin, and I'm honestly a little embarrassed I doubted it before testing it. Here's the basic rundown without any fluff. The FiltraBox Expand X-2 is a professional grade, ductless fume extractor built to clean the air in workshops and industrial spaces without venting outside. It uses 2 digital blowers through a combined high airflow of about 470 CFM, making it suitable for large CO2 laser cutters like the Thunderbolt Pro 32 behind me here. It features a multi-stage filtration system with an independent pre-filter, HEPA filter, and activated carbon chemical cartridge set. That's super important. Together, these capture large debris, fine particulates, and VOCs, odors, etc. from materials like acrylic, wood, rubber, and of course, leather. Now, for something as large as it is, 38 inches tall, 15 inches wide, 31 inches deep, and quite heavy, it certainly keeps itself slender and fits perfectly snuggled up to my Bolt Pro 32. I'm not going to go into all the details of every machine, but if you're curious about the range of sizes, their smallest machine is 26 inches tall, 10 inches wide, and 17 inches deep, and the largest is 45 inches tall, 30 inches wide, and 42 inches deep. Its twin fans operate at 53 decibels. This is it at 30% flow. And this is it at 100% flow. As far as unboxing goes, the FiltraBox is a box, but it came in a box. But for those of you who really want the full experience, here's a little dramatic recreation for you. You're welcome. As you can see here, the ExpandX-2 takes a 230/120 volt 1020 amp plug, so make sure your wiring and sockets are set up for that, or get an electrician to come sort it out. If that's a problem, the ExpandX-1 is a 230/120 volt 612 amp, and so you can use normal wiring and plugs, I'm pretty sure, though I'm not an electrician, for that model. And I assume the other smaller models are the same as that. The FiltraBox takes over for any internal exhaust system of your laser, so you'll need to disconnect any fan motor as well as any hoses in the way so you can connect the FiltraBox directly to your machine, like I've done here on the Thunder LaserBolt Pro 32. You can also see that on this machine specifically, I needed to use a duct reducer that FiltraBox supplied to me to attach the FiltraBox hose to the laser. Now you just plug in the laser and run a calibration test so that it is working optimally with your laser. Now I've been using this machine for a while, but I want you to just watch the smoke get pulled out and be here for another smell test. Remember that most of your projects are going to off-gas, so once the project is done and you pull it out, really that's the smell you're getting. It's not from the smoke that's being pulled through the machine and purified. So let's have a look at that with some heavy leather. Now remember, as with any ductless system, certain plastics or unknown materials should still be avoided or externally vented. So do your research. If your material falls outside the norm, be careful.
Can you smell this? Yeah, neither can I. Smell-o-vision is here.
The ExpandX-2 ships with a spare pre-filter, and changing them is as easy as removing the top enclosure from the machine, pulling filters off, then placing them back on. It's really as easy as taking it off the pallet. The structure of the box itself is literally made out of filters, almost like the FiltraBox is a filter box. Now, digging around, I found a few posts where people mentioned you can expect the filters to last about 6 months. Though that's going to vary widely based on frequency and material. But you can mark the release date of this video and I'll do a little update post whenever a filter dies. Probably under this video would make the most sense in the comments. Also, yes, the machine will certainly tell you when each filter needs replacing, so that's awesome. At the time of this video, the ExpandX-2 is going to cost you $6,000 US, which is a bit below the midpoint of the various machines FiltraBox sells. That fume extractor is dealing with a very beefy high-end laser cutter. Neither of them are cheap, but the micro FiltraBox is going to start off at about $2,000 US, and you can work your way through various fume extractors until you top out at the Expand XF series, and some digging makes me believe they start around $9,000 US, which is a pretty penny. But there are 6 XF models, so they certainly have a range up from that 9,000. Now, as far as pros and cons are concerned, this machine does exactly what it says it'll do. It's simple to set up, replacing filters is a breeze, and on top of that, it's a North American company, so dealing with their support and sales teams is quick, easy, and painless, which is awesome. And of course, your lungs and your neighbor's lungs will love you for it. As far as cons are concerned, they aren't cheap, but if you are interested in picking up a FiltraBox Expand X-2, then you probably have something like the Thunderbolt Pro 32 as well. So you're already investing in a professional grade laser cutter, so you're looking for a professional grade solution for your filtration. Obviously, if you have a lesser, I don't know if lesser is the right word, a less powerful laser, then you're going to go down the line in the filter boxes and get something a little less expensive. But it's well worth the money if you have no options for ventilation. Also, as previously mentioned, the ExpandX-2 needs a 230/120 volt 10/20 amp plug. I think it's just 10/20 amp plug. Maybe an electrician can tell me down below. So you may need to deal with some wiring, but it's worth it. FiltraBox and Thunder Laser are definitely a match made in heaven, both with expansive product lines that let you, the consumer, not feel obligated to buy something that's like way beyond your needs. Now, the ExpandX-2, though perfect for me, may not be perfect for you or the laser that you have. So reach out to their incredibly helpful sales team to see what would be best suited for you and your laser. Now, remember to check the doodly-doo box down below for 5% off your order while also getting an extra year of warranty. Thank you very much, FiltraBox. And before you take off, hold on one second. I've got another great video that I'm going to cram beside my head here. So have a look at that one. And until next time, keep on being creative in whatever it is you do.